Hey everyone, Bob here again. Our topic for today is again about Pareto analysis, but different topics. We're going to be handling or tackling the production line downtime factor. Some companies are struggling in terms of maintaining their downtime factor, where the managers are supposed to maintain a the lowest downtime factor because if they have high factor, the cost will be higher and it will impact the result of the bottom line or the net income of the company, and also it will affect the cost of goods sold, the cogs of the business, in terms of, when they're selling the products at a high price or rather at high cost, then the profitability will be low. So we have list down here. I have list down here the major parts or the issues that companies are struggling or having issues or having problems in terms of their maintenance of these components. That's why they're having a low output because of the utilization factor is low and the downtime factor is high. So the items that have listed down here are sensors and signals, drive motor, filling head, in-feed pan, rinsing system, reservoir, capping system, HMI control system, PLC control system, conveyor, conveying drive gear mixer, pick and place system, pump system, discharge hopper, mechanical drive system, cleaning system, filling system, and power supply. Okay, because most of the moving parts of the production lines are being driven by an electrical motor. So an electric motor. So uh, power supply is included here in this list of major parts or issues. Okay. So we're gonna be doing a Pareto analysis, and we're gonna be doing this again in terms of the frequency of the issues. Okay. So I'm gonna write down here the frequency. Make it capital. All right. So we're gonna be having values here, whole numbers. Okay, the frequency of the issues or the corrective or preventive maintenance that the engineering department are doing. Okay, so in order for us to be quick in getting our numbers, I'm gonna be using a function called run between. Okay, a formula called run between. Okay, just select the run between, double click it. Okay, then I'm gonna get the low number and the high number. Okay, for our samples. So perhaps 5 is okay, and then comma, and then I think 20 is okay. Then close it with closing parenthesis. Okay, then enter. Okay, I'm gonna copy it down for the rest of the items by double clicking it. All right. So let's see what happens. Okay, we have a bottom line here, power supply with 18. Okay. The problem with having a formula run between is the number will keep on changing every time we are uh, making some action. Like for example, if we put a sum on this, okay, click the sum here, function, then click sum. We can actually, highlight first. Highlight first, right? And then click the sum, all right? Please notice the numbers will change as soon as I enter the value, the function or the formula. See, it keep on changing. So in order to address it so that the number will be fixed, I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna, you know, uh, make it fixed number. So it's easy. Just right click on the range and then copy, right click again, and then click the paste spatial, then click values only. So it should be values only and no more formula. Okay. All right. So let's say we'll do it again. So let's say we'll make some movement here. Clicks the sum. All right. Notice the number. The number is not changing anymore because it is in values only. All right. So okay, because we fix it. No more formula. All right. Okay. The next thing, that since we have the numbers here, the total, we're gonna type the total here also. All right. Okay. This is the total of the frequency of the items we're having issues, maintenance issues. Okay. Next column would be the cumulative. Okay. Cumulative. We're going to be using the cumulative in order for us to be able to get the frequency. Okay, then on the third column, the frequency. But we need the cumulative. Okay, it's easy. Just transfer the 18 here. Okay, before I forget, see, again, I forget. We have to sort out. Okay, we have to sort this. You have to sort this frequency. All right. Okay. Okay. Just select the major parts issues and the frequency, and then click the data here, data tab, then short range and advanced range sorting options. Click this one. All right. Okay. The one that I'm gonna be sorting is the column B, the frequency. So sort the column B, and it should be largest to smallest, or the descending order, Z to A. Okay, then click the sort. All right. So the biggest number is on top and the smallest number on the bottom. Okay, except the total. Okay, so the smallest number is 6 and the biggest number is 20. All right. Then now we can do the cumulative. Okay, equal sign. Then just transfer the 20 here. And the next line would be the 20 plus the B5. Is it B5? Yes, B5. Okay, 20 plus 19 to accumulate the numbers going down the bottom numbers, right? Just enter. Okay. Since they are all, you know, uh, relative cell reference, so no need for us to, to assign a double dollar sign. Just double click to copy down, right? Then let's see what happens. Okay, we don't need the 474. We only need here up to here 237 because the total here is 237. So it's time for us to do the percentage. Okay, percentage is just equal sign, then the cumulative divided by the total frequency. Okay, which is 237. Okay, I'm gonna copy it down to the rest of the items. Okay, to the rest of the rows. Okay, we don't have problems in terms of the cumulative because that would be relative self-reference, but the total frequency is coming from just one cell location, no? The 237. So we're gonna fix that by using the F4 again, absolute cell reference, the double dollar sign, that's it, and then enter. Okay, now we can copy it down. Okay, we're gonna make sure that it is the bottom is 100%. Okay, that's it. Percent. Okay, we didn't miss anything. I think we have done everything here. Now we can start plotting our graph. Okay, we're gonna select the major parts issues first. Okay, select them all the way down to the last record. All right, include frequency as well. Okay, frequency. Okay, we need that. And then you press the control uh, key on your keyboard, then select the percentage. Okay, we don't need the cumulative. You only need the cumulative for, getting at getting the percentage. Okay, so now we can do the plotting of the graph. Just click insert here, then click chart. Okay, then we have our chart. Oh, we can start by, okay, going to, by changing the chart type. Okay, we don't need this scatter chart. We need combo chart, column and line, column and line. Okay, we got it. Then we go down. Okay, this is frequency. This is okay. Percentage, no, we need frequency first. Then we add the series. The second one would be the percentage. Okay, now we have the line. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm going to from setup to customize here. Just click customize, then click the series. Okay, click the series. Apply to all series. No, we need to check the frequency. We need to do something else here on the frequency. Okay, we already have the type columns. I like the columns, so I don't want to change that anymore. So it's gonna be in left axis. So the this one, this frequency is then on the left axis from 0 to 20 frequency. Well, that would be okay. I don't think we have to change anything else here. Okay, then we click the percentage to see if we can change the percentage. Okay, the line color is red. Okay, it's a line type. Okay, the opacity is okay, 100%. Actually, you can also use other type of lines like dotted lines, okay, dash lines, dotted and dash, long dash, etc. Long dash and dotted. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Then line thickness, I'm gonna change the line thickness to 4. Okay, the font size is okay. The point size is okay. The point shape is circle. Okay, that would be okay. Then we're gonna need a data labels for this. Okay, but first thing first, I'm gonna move this to the right axis. Okay, so that we can actually utilize now the line graph. Okay, so right axis. As you can see here, the percentage is on the right axis. All right, then we can add the data labels. Data labels here. Then I'm gonna position it at the below. Okay, I'm gonna change the font size. I think 12 is okay. That's okay. It's automatic. It's on 12 right now. And then the text color is, I'm gonna change the text color to blue. I think blue is okay. It's good, looking good. All right. So okay. So what else do I need to change? All right. All right. So how about the legend? Okay, the legend. I'm gonna position it here at the bottom. That one. Okay. And then I'm gonna change the what else do I need to change? The title. Okay, the title. I would change the title to production line downtime factor. Okay, production line downtime factor. Okay, the font is okay. I like the font already. Maybe we can change the size. I think 20 is okay, or even smaller than that. Maybe 18. Right. Okay. And then gonna change the color. I think I'm gonna use the blue again. Okay, blue. Okay, it's more visible this time. Okay. What else do we want to change? Okay, the vertical axis. Okay, what else? What can I do for the vertical axis? I'm gonna show the show axis line right here. Okay. Then on the right side, I'm gonna change the right. Okay. I'm gonna unclick this one and then click the right vertical axis for this one. And then I'm gonna just for it to be to look good. Okay. Show axis line. That's it. Do we miss anything here? Okay. I think we got everything here. Yeah, I think so. Okay, we can get this out. Okay. This is on top of the list that we have. See? All right. Yeah. Okay. See? 20 and 19 cleaning system 2019 or 2019. Okay. So actually we can also move this out, put it in another sheet. So move to on sheet. Okay, like that. Okay, so that it will be more visible, it will be more bigger. And you know, if we want to look at the list, we can also go to the sheet, Pareto, and then we can actually rename this. Rename. Then I'm just gonna, you know, delete the number 4. Okay. Okay. If you want to copy the chart, you can copy this one or edit chart, publish chart, download chart, or delete the chart. Okay. All right. Edit chart. You will go back to the box that we have utilized earlier. Okay. That would be the box. Okay. The chart editor. Okay. We don't need that anymore. So, all right. We have our, so the idea of the Pareto analysis again, although I already explained it in my last video, which was done yesterday. The if you have solved the 80% of the problems, okay, if you're working on the 20% of the problems of the items, you're just doing 20%. You're able to solve 80% of the problem. That's the idea of the Pareto analysis. You don't have to do everything. But I'm not saying that we're gonna not gonna work on this. Of course, this because this is already in the past. This is history. Okay, these are data that we have in our database, and these are having more problems. So you know what we're doing is doing the 20%, which is the more important ones, we're able to solve 80% of the problem. So that's the idea of the Pareto analysis. All right. Again, I'm saying that we are going to fix the problem, but this is already history, okay, in our records, in engineering department records. But what I'm saying, in order for us not to recur all these bigger problems, which are, you know, rinsing system, cleaning system, sensor signals, etc. Pick and place system. This is actually a robot. No? Pick and place. Uh, picking, you know, there's a robot arm picking some cartoons or finished products from the conveyor to the pallet, or from the pallet to the conveyor, vice versa, etc. So that's pick and place. That's automation. Okay, filling system, etc. If you are able to solve the biggest frequency, then you'll be able to solve 80% of the problem. Okay, and then there will be no recurrence of all these issues, right? Because the problem is these issues are keep on recurring, repeating. Okay, so you have to find the solution. You have to analyze the root causes of the problem, and then solve the problems, so that by solving the problems you'll be able to raise the utilization factor and decrease the downtime factor. And of course, this will give a positive impact on the bottom line of the business and reduce the cost of goods sold, COGS. Okay, and the margin of profitability will go, and also you will be able to reduce the the fixed budget, the fixed cost, rather the fixed cost. Okay, there are, in the cost center, there are fixed costs, there are variable costs. So by solving the problems using the Pareto analysis, you'll be able to solve the fixed cost problem. You'll be able to reduce, because you have increased the utilization factor and decreased the downtime factor. Okay. So that's it for our lesson for today. I hope you like it. I hope you like this video. You like this presentation. If you do like it, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of all of my upcoming videos, whether it is in Google Sheet, whether it is something else. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching.